So, okay, I will ask now Adgun to read it. So, Raghav, I'll give you turn after Adgun, okay? Yes, Adgun, please start the. Okay, one paragraph each child, okay? So, Adgun, one paragraph.
Okay.
Hmm.
Kari, the elephant, was 5 months old when he was given to me to take care of. I was 9 years old and I could reach his back if I stood on tiptoe. He seemed to he seemed to remain that high for nearly 2 years. We grew together. That is probably why I never found out just how tall he was. He
Okay.
lived in a pavilion.
Hmm.
He lived in a pavilion under a thatched roof which rested on thick tree stumps so that it could not fall in when Kari bumped against the poles as he moved about.
Okay.
One one
That's
of
it,
the
beta.
first
That's it. So one paragraph each. Okay. So yes, Kari. Kari is the name of the elephant. Okay. He was 5 months old when he was given to the narrator, who's just telling us the story of Kari. Okay. So Kari was 5 months old when he was given to the narrator. And please listen to me carefully. I will ask you a question after every 2 pages. Okay. So I was 9 years old. What was the age of the narrator when he got Kari? Narrator was 9 years old. Okay. And I could reach his back if I stood on tiptoe. So beta, so many little children just try to stand on their tiptoe when they have to open their door, है ना, उन्होंने एक door को का lock खोलना होता है, so their hand doesn't reach that thing, है ना, so they just stand on the tiptoe. समझ आ गई tiptoe क्या होता है ना? So he seemed to remain that high for nearly 2 years. So he said that, so for 2 years, his height was normal. The height of the elephant was normal. So I could reach his height. Okay? We grew together. That is probably why I never found out just how tall he was. So whenever we just live with our brothers and sisters, we generally don't realize that when their height grows so taller. वो जो उनको बहुत साल बाद देखते दे जस्ट से दैट कि दैट यू हैव grown so much taller, है ना, but the people who are living with us, they don't realize that we are getting tall day by day. So similarly the narrator, he didn't realize that the elephant was getting taller day by day. Okay, he lived in a pavilion. So beta, pavilion, what is pavilion? It's a light roofed structure. ठीक है, it's a structure with a light roof. एक light सी roof होती है, not cemented one actually. So normally light roof is there. ठीक है, pavilion. Pavilion is an area where is the outer area you can say. ठीक है, under a thatched roof. Thatched roof क्या होती है बेटा? Thatched means covered with straws, leaves, branches of trees. So एक normal सी temporary से एक roof बनाते हैं. ठीक है, that is temporary roof which rested on thick tree stumps. So they just added four tree stumps, okay, on the corners of the roof. Why? The reason is given. It could not fall in when Kari bumped against the poles as he moved about. अब जैसे Kari अंदर आता था, so sometime his body is so much heavy that sometime he bumped against. So कई बार strike कर लेता था poles को. And if there were no tree stumps, then what would happen? That roof would have fallen down. ठीक है? So roof को support देने के लिए they have added thick tree stumps. Okay. Now next one. Okay, Amarjot, you can read the next paragraph. I think so many students will get turn because we are reading one paragraph. Okay? Yes, please.
Yes, yes. One of the first things Kari did was to save the life of a boy. Kari did not eat much, but then nevertheless needed 40 pounds of twigs a day to chew and play with. Every day I used to take him to the river in the morning for his bath. He would lie down on the sandbank while I rubbed him with the clean sand of the river for an hour. After that, he would lie in the water for a long time. On coming out, his skin would be shining like ebony, and he would squeal with the pleasure as I rubbed water down his back. Then I
Okay.
would take him by the
That's it. That's it. Till back. Okay. Okay. So one of the first things Kari did was to save the life of a boy. ठीक है, that you will better read in the next 2-3 pages how he saved the life of a boy. Okay, so Kari did not eat much. ठीक है, यहाँ पे उसने थोड़ा सा सरकाजम शो किया हमें, थोड़ा सा फनी वे में बोल रहा है that he did not eat much, but nevertheless means still he needed 40 pounds of twigs. 40 pounds means around 16 kg. Okay, 16 kg of twigs. Twigs क्या होती हैं? The small branches, very small and little branches of the tree. Okay, so he needed 40 pounds of twigs a day to chew and play with. ठीक है, उसको हर वक्त अपने पास क्या चाहिए होती थी? Twigs to chew. Okay, and sometime he used to play with them also. Twigs क्या होती हैं? Little branches. ठीक है, very soft branches of the tree, जो ऐसे हाथ से टूट जाती हैं. Okay, so every day I used to take him to the river in the morning for his bath. Okay, he would lie down. Now he loved his, this morning bath. Elephant. Okay, how he loved his morning bath? You will just see here. He would lie down on the sand bank while I rubbed him and clean sand of the river for an hour. So the narrator, he used to rub sand on his body for an hour. Okay, after that he would lie in the water for long time. So अगर आप डॉग को डालोगे पानी में, वो हमेशा भाग जाएगा, because he doesn't like water. But elephant, he just loves to stay there for long time, even the whole day it can stay there. Okay, on coming out of his skin would be shining like ebony. Ebony means dark black wood होती है, total dark color. ठीक है, jet black color. So deep dark black color. Okay, so wherever he used to come out of water, his skin used to shine like ebony. ऐसे लगता था एक black से color की बहुत beautiful wood पड़ी हुई है. Okay, and he would squeal means to make a high pitched sound. ठीक है, a sound. ठीक है, squeal. Then just wait. Okay. Okay, with pleasure. With pleasure means he was so much joyful. ठीक है, and the narrator used to rub water down his back. So he used to love this thing. ठीक है. Now next one is Chehak, complete this paragraph. After that, Gaurish. हाँ जी बेटा.
Okay, ma'am. Then I would take him by the ear because that is the easiest way to lead an elephant and leave him on the edge of the jungle while I went into the forest to get some luscious twigs for his dinner. One has to have a very sharp
Hatchet.
hatchet to cut down these twigs. It takes half an hour to sharpen the hatchet because if a twig is mutilated an elephant will not touch it.
Okay. So now beta he is just explaining us that how he manages to get the twigs for the elephants. ठीक है. So he is saying that then I would take him by ear. अब वो उसको कैसे गाइड करता था? How he used to show him the path by using his ear. उसके ear को पकड़ के. Okay. And he is saying that that was the easiest way to lead an elephant. So he used to leave him on the edge of the jungle. Edge means in the beginning of the jungle. ठीक है, वो उसको वहीं पे रोक देता था elephant को. And then he used to go inside. Okay, to get some luscious meaning is written at the bottom, tasty and sweet smelling. Otherwise luscious means shiny also, but here it means tasty and sweet smelling. So he just used to go inside to get the tasty twigs for his dinner. One has to have a very sharp hatchet. Hatchet is the axe with which we just cut the tree or the branches. ठीक है, hatchet. So he said that you need to have a very sharp axe if you want to cut the twigs. It takes half an hour to sharpen the hatchet. ठीक है, तो आपने देखा होगा बेटा कई लोग एक्स को शार्प करते हैं ऐसे ना, जमीन के साथ रब करके, राइट. So he said that it takes half an hour to sharpen the hatchet because if the twig is mutilated, torn awkwardly, it's written here, but you can say imperfect, जो perfect नहीं होती. ठीक है. So if the twig is not perfect, elephant will not touch it. Elephant always eats a very nice twig and in proper shape. ठीक है. It doesn't eat imperfect twig. Okay. So Gaurish, please complete the page. till him.
Yes, ma'am.
Next page पे him लिखा हुआ है, beginning में वहां तक.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it was not an easy job to get twigs and saplings for Kari. I had to climb all kinds of trees to get the most delicate and tender twigs. As he was very fond of the young branches of the banyan tree, which grows like a cathedral of leaves and branches, I was gathering some one spring day in March. One spring day in March, when I suddenly heard Kari calling to me in the distance. As he was still very young, the call was more like that of a baby than an elephant. I thought somebody was hurting him.
Okay, complete this paragraph. Only 2 lines are.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. So I came down from my tree and ran very fast to the edge of the forest where I had left him, but he was not there.
Okay. So, beta, he is saying that it was not an easy job. So, I will ask you this question also. मैं आपको पहले ही बता रही हूँ, ठीक है? Why it was not an easy job to get the twigs? Because the narrator had to climb all kinds of trees to get the most delicious twigs, ठीक है? And he had to find out the delicate and tender. Tender means soft twigs, ठीक है? थोड़ी soft भी हो, बिल्कुल hard ना हो. So, he had to climb so many trees to get the most delicious one, ठीक है? As he was very fond of young branches of the banyan tree, which grows like a cathedral. Cathedral means a large structure, ठीक है? तो banyan tree जो होता है, that is a very large structure and it has so many branches, ठीक है? So it's a very large structure. So he's saying that कि Kari loves to eat the branches of banyan tree, especially, ठीक है? I was gathering some one spring day in March, so it was the month of March. And I suddenly heard Kari calling to me in the distance, and he was still young, so Kari was not having a voice like a adult elephant, so he was having voice like a baby. Okay, I thought somebody was hurting him, so he just ran there and he found that Kari was not there. Okay, now please, I will ask you some questions from these 2 pages, so get ready. Okay, close your books, please. Okay, Harmeet, you are the first one on my screen. Yes, Harmeet. What is the name of the elephant? What was his age when the narrator got it?
Ma'am, his age was Ma'am, 9 months.
You are mixing the age of narrator and elephant. Okay, Chahak, please tell him age of elephant,
Yes.
age of narrator, and name of the
Ma'am,
elephant.
first of all, the elephant's name was Kari, and his age was 2 months.
Okay, we'll see. Okay, and the age of narrator?
Ma'am,
Age of the narrator when he got Kari?
ma'am,
No doubt I'm asking so much, so many technical questions. But okay, Adgun, please help her.
Ma'am, the name was Kari and the elephant's age was 5 months and the narrator's age was 9 years.
You can lower your hands side by side. Adgun?
Yes,
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
हाँ जी बेटा, हाँ जी. You can ask.
Ma'am, squeal का meaning क्या होता है?
बेटा high pitch sound, ठीक है? To make a high pitch sound निकालनी high सी. Okay. So everyone, name of the elephant is Kari. Okay, he was 5 months old when the narrator got it, and the age of the narrator was 9 years old. Okay, at that time. Okay, my next question is why they made a pavilion with the help of thick tree stumps. What was the reason? Thick tree stumps क्यों use की थी? Akshara.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटा, why they had made a pavilion like that with the help of tree stumps?
The elephant can stay there.
Can you repeat it? I couldn't hear you.
So that the elephants can stay there. Elephant can stay there.
ओके, फिर बेटा ट्री स्टम्प्स की क्या जरूरत पड़ी? यस कार्तिक, ट्री स्टम्प्स क्यों लगाए?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so that they do not fall when the elephant jumps on the poles.
Touched the poles, yes, exactly. So they used tree stumps to give the support to the pavilion, okay? So that the elephant, when he would touch the poles, so that the roof, would not fall down. Okay, well done. So next one is, my question is, Amarjot. Amarjot, how can you say that Kari used to love his morning bath? पहले इतना बताओ, did he love his morning bath or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how can you say that?
Ma'am,
आपको कैसे पता चला that he loved his morning bath?
ma'am, he left because elephants want to stay in the water for a long time,
Okay.
and uh,
He would squeal, है ना? He would squeal with the pleasure. Yeah, he felt so joyful when the narrator used to rub his back. ठीक है? Okay, so half answer you gave that it used to stay there for a long time. Second is it showed its pleasure whenever the narrator used to rub his back. Okay. Any different line in your mind, Karthik?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I think we can also write that after getting out from the water after a long time, the elephant skin would be shining like ebony. So that so that's why elephant like to
Okay,
get a morning bath every
it
day.
is possible. Maybe elephant likes his, that ebony colored skin. Maybe after having bath. So okay, you can write this is the possibility. Okay, next one is, let me change the page क्योंकि ये same page है. Okay, Jasmine, please unmute.
yes, ma'am.
Why it was not easy to get the twigs for the elephant? What problems?
It was not easy for the poet to get because he have to climb so many trees to find a delicious twigs for the elephant.
Exactly, exact answer. Most appropriate. Well done. Okay, next one is Raghav. Are you there? And Devang also. Devang,
Yes, ma'am.
name the tree which was the favorite one of the elephant.
The name of the tree is banyan tree.
Banyan tree, yes. So Raghav, I think is not there. So anyone can speak. Just wait. Okay, Gorish. Gorish, what happened one day when he was finding twigs for him?
Ma'am,
A month
on that
apart.
day, when the poet was finding tricks for him, uh, uh, he was heard the sound of the kari, but that sound is just little bit because the kari is uh,
Okay, he heard the call of Kari, okay, but when he just went there, he could not find him anywhere. Okay,
and he thought that somebody was hurting the kari.
okay, Kari only. Okay, this is a proper noun, so you are not supposed to use the with it. Okay, Kari. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So Jasmine, please read it till I'll just highlight
And the answer is correct or not?
Your answer is correct. Gorish, you are asking now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I'm
Correct,
asking.
correct.
I
So,
never don't think so. It is correct.
no, it's correct, beta. He heard the sound of Kari and he was thinking that someone was hurting him. It's correct, beta. Absolutely correct. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. So, Jasmine, please read till here, beta. Mine.
I looked all over, but I could not find him. I went near the edge of the water and I saw a black something struggling above its surface. Then it rose higher, and it was the trunk of my elephant. I thought he was drowning. I was helpless because I could not jump into the water and save the 400 pounds of him, since he was much higher than I. But I saw his back rise above the water, and the moment he caught my eye, he began to trumpet and struggle up to the shore. Then I Then, still trumpeting, he pushed me into the water, and as I fell into the stream, I saw a boy lying flat on the bottom of the river. He had not altogether touched the bottom, but was somewhat afloat. I came to the surface of the water to take my breath, and there Kari was standing, his feet planted in the sand bank, and his trunk stretched out like a hand waiting for mine.
Okay. So I looked all over, but I could not find him. So when he saw him, he was just already in the stream. बेटा water में था already, ठीक है, Kari, and he could see the trunk, ठीक है, his trunk, and he thought that he was drowning. Drowning क्या होता है बेटा? When someone, anyone drowning. Yes, Karthik.
यस मैम, मैम ड्राउनिंग मीन जब कोई रिवर या सी में डूबने लगता है.
Yes, exactly. So drowning means when you feel so much suffocated and when you are in water, okay? Suffocation is there, you can't breathe and you don't know how to swim, okay? That is drowning. I was helpless because I could not jump into water and save the 400 pounds. 400 pounds, about beta, maybe 200 kg, maybe, okay, like that. So he said that. So it's very difficult for me to just save that elephant who was 400 pounds, okay? I think मैंने उल्टा बोल दिया. So you can just convert pounds to kg after the class. So I think so more than 400. ठीक है, एक pound में about 1.2 kg होते हैं. I think so. So technically 4 to 500 kg का elephant था. ठीक है. So, but I saw his back rise above the water, and moment he caught my eye, he began to trumpet. Trumpet is the sound of elephant. So this is the most common sound. Okay? The high sound of the loud sound of the elephant. He struggled up to the shore. Then, still trumpeting, he pushed me into the water. Okay? What did he do? He pushed the narrator. अब reason दिया हुआ है. Why he just pushed the narrator? Because there was one boy there. He was lying flat on the bottom. So his body was actually floating somewhat. ठीक है? So he was actually about to die. ठीक है? The boy was about to die and his body was there. Okay? So elephant was so much anxious. ठीक है? So उसको इतनी anxiety हो रही थी that he pushed the narrator into the water and he wanted the narrator to save the life of the boy. Okay, he had not altogether touched bottom but was somewhat afloat. I came to the surface. So beta ये जो narrator है, he had to come to the surface to take his to breath. ठीक है, and then Kari was standing, his feet planted. Planted means totally immersed in the sand. ठीक है, and his trunk stretched out like a hand waiting for mine. तो उसने अपनी ट्रंक को ऐसे स्ट्रेच किया होता जैसे हम किसी को बचाने के लिए अपना हैंड करते हैं आगे. सो सिमिलरली ही स्ट्रेच्ड हिज ट्रंक. ओके, सो यस सव्या, सव्या कंप्लीट द पेज प्लीज.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I dived down again and pulled the body of drowning boy to the surface, but not being a good swimmer, I could not swim ashore, and the slow current was already dragging me down. Seeing us drift by in the current, Kari, who was usually slow and ponderous, suddenly darted down like a hawk and came halfway into the water where I saw him stretch out his trunk again. I reached up my hand to catch it and it slipped. I found myself going under the water again. But can I complete the next page? Next paragraph.
Yes, बेटा till full stop. जहाँ पे भी आपको full stop मिल रहा है.
Okay, ma'am. But this time I found that the water was not very deep, so I sank to the bottom of the river and doubled my feet under me, and then suddenly kicked the river bed so shot upwards like an arrow, in spite of the fact that I was holding the drowning boy with my hand.
So everyone, here is the process of saving that boy. ठीक है, we will not go much deeper into that. ठीक है, उसने सारा बताया that with my feet I just pushed the land and just I shot like an arrow. So like that. So I'll quickly just explain you. So mine के बाद, okay, I dived down again and pulled the body of the drowning boy. So he tried to pull the body, ठीक है, but not being a good swimmer, I could not swim ashore. And slow current. Current here means it's not an electricity current. That current means the movement of water, ठीक है, continuous movement of water, ठीक है. So it was dragging me down. So ठीक है. So when water is moving, so it is just pulling narrator also with it, ठीक है. Narrator को भी वो pull कर रहा था अपने साथ. So let me mute on just. Okay, so next one is seeing us drift by. Drift by means to move slowly into water, ठीक है. So Kari saw that the narrator and the boy, they were just moving slowly into the water. So what did he do? He was actually slow and ponderous. Ponderous means when a person with heavy body just, you know, does his work very slowly. Ponderous means slow in work, ठीक है, slow in doing work. So actually, Kari actually was very slow in his work, but that day he darted down. Darted down means move rapidly. So he moved rapidly like a hawk. Hawk is a bird. Okay. So when he saw that his narrator, his master is going to die, okay, in this water, what did he do? He just darted. He moved rapidly like a bird and came halfway into water, okay. So he stretched his trunk. उसने अपने trunk को ऐसे उनको offer किया. Then the narrator just ठीक है, saw him. Then I found myself going under the water again, but narrator could not control himself, so he's again going down into the water. I found that water was not very deep. So finally he just came to know that कि water इतना भी deep नहीं है, ठीक है. So with his full strength he just doubled his feet. ऐसे feet की पूरी strength के साथ what did he do? He just kicked the river bed. Okay, उसने जो नीचे एक sand सा था river के, he just kicked that thing and he just came out of the that water. Okay, as my body rose, I think ये हमने पढ़ा ही नहीं. Yes, who's next one who wants to read? Okay, Saksham and Samarthi.
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा ever
As
तक.
my body. Yes, ma'am.
ever तक, ever जो next वाला पैराग्राफ है छोटा सा है, उसमें ever लिखा हुआ है लास्ट पे, वहां तक रीड करना.
Okay, ma'am. As my body rose above the water, I felt a lesson around my neck. This frightened me. I thought some water animal was going to follow me. I heard Kari. क्या लिखा है?
Squealing बेटा, squealing.
Kari squealing, and I knew it was his trunk above my neck. He pushed us both as hard. Kari was like a baby. He had to be trained to be good, and if you did not tell him when he was naughty, he was up to more mischief than ever.
Mischief, yes, mischief होती शरारत करना. Okay, when you are so much mischievous and naughty. Okay, so I'm going to explain this. Then we'll discuss the answers. You people will give me the answers. Okay, so so beta, when he just found himself out of water, but Kari thought that they are not saved yet, so he just he just tried to round his trunk around the neck of the narrator. And narrator को नहीं पता चला that it is the trunk of the elephant. He thought that lasso बेटा, it's a kind of rope with a noose होता है loop, ठीक है, एक loop होना, जैसे elephant के trunk में होता है last पे एक है ना loop सा होता है. So he just thought that it was some water animal, ठीक है, he is just trying to kill him. But then he realized that it was the trunk of Kari, and he just he wanted to save them. Now next he is comparing Kari with a baby. ठीक है, he is saying that it was like a baby. Why? Because he had to be trained. जैसे हम बेबी को ट्रेनिंग देते हैं, छोटे होते हैं ना, how to sit, how to walk and how to eat है ना, everything. So similarly he said that he had to be trained. Okay, if you did not tell him when he was naughty, he was up to more mischief. वो कहते हैं कि अगर वो naughty हो रहा है, if you are not stopping him, he will just get more and more naughty. ठीक है, वो और उतनी ज्यादा वो करेगा शरारतें. Now let's move to the question answers. We'll try. देखते हैं हमारे कितने questions इसमें cover हुए हैं, ठीक है. So the first one is the enclosure in which Kari lived had the thatched roof that lay in a examine the illustration of Kari pavilion. Say Okay, why it was built that way? Your question is why it की जगह लिख दो pavilion. Why the pavilion was built that way? Only this much. इतना सा question है. And we have, I think, already discussed this thing. Why the pavilion was made like that way. So you can open your first page of the chapter. 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth line. He lived in a pavilion लिखा है. The elephant lived in a pavilion under a thatched roof which rested on thick tree stumps. यहाँ से लेके moved about तक. ठीक है. First paragraph. Fourth line. Quickly, I'm going to underline it. In place of he, write down Kari. Kari lived in a pavilion. This whole till moved about. यहाँ तक. ठीक है. Okay, next one is, did Kari enjoy his morning bath? I don't think so. We should, discuss this question because you people already gave me answer. That he used to stay in water for a long time. He used to show his joy when the narrator rubbed his back. And one thing Karthik also, I think, told us that his skin looked like ebony. Okay? So you can add all the things in this question. Third one is, फाइंडिंग गुड ट्विग्स फॉर कारी टुक अ लॉन्ग टाइम. वाई? ये भी हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. तो इनडायरेक्टली आई आस्क्ड यू द क्वेश्चन. आई न्यू दैट दे आर गिवन इन द बैक एक्सरसाइजेस, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई आस्क्ड यू द क्वेश्चंस एंड यू हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड मी आंसर्स. So here is the answer, beta. It was not an easy job. You can see this paragraph on the next page. It was not an easy job to get the twigs. यहाँ से tender twigs तक 3 lines. ठीक है. Third one. Next one is, why did Kari push his friend into the stream? Yes, Karthik, please give us the answer. Why did Kari push his friend into the stream? Devang, you can also give. Anyone can unmute. Yes, Akshara.
Yes, ma'am.
Why did Kari push his friend into the stream?
Ma'am, stream means river in which
Yes,
the
river.
boy was.
Yes, river.
Yes,
Both
ma'am.
of you, you
Ma'am,
can give your answers. Akshara and Karthik.
Ma'am, Kari pushed his friend into the stream because Kari saw that a boy was
Drowning.
laying down into the stream, so that so he pushed his friend into the stream so that his master could save his life.
Exactly, yes. Akshara, what is your answer? Correct answer, Karthik. Yes, Akshara.
Kari pushed his friend into the stream because a boy was drowning in the stream, and then Kari pushed. Kari wanted his friend to save that boy from drowning.
Exactly.
And
so Kari pushed his master or friend into the stream because he wanted his friend to save the life of the boy who was drowning in the river. Okay. Okay. Number 5.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटा.
मैम, जब आप ये वाला पैराग्राफ जिसमें कारी ने अपने फ्रेंड को स्ट्रीम में फेंका है, उसमें मैम जब आप ये वाला पैराग्राफ एक्सप्लेन कर रहे थे, तो उसमें आपने एंजाइटी वर्ड यूज किया था. उसका वो आपने क्यों यूज किया था?
एंजाइटी बेटा, एंशियस, जब हमें नर्वसनेस होती है, हमें घबराहट होती है किसी को देख के, है ना. So that is the anxiety. Okay. Anxiety means you feel so much nervous and you feel helpless. ठीक है, that is anxiety. ठीक है
मैम. इसमें हम फिर मतलब हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, when Kari saw the boy drowning into the stream, so Kari felt anxious and
Kari became anxious.
He pushed his friend into the stream.
Yes, exactly. Kari became anxious and he pushed his friend into the river so that he could save the life of the boy. ठीक है, he became anxious. Yes. Okay, एक और बेटा कवर हो रहा है. Why Kari was like a baby? ये अभी हमने पढ़ा just last में just. सव्या बताइए please. Kari was like a baby. Why?
And Kari was like a baby because he had to train to be good, and if he did not tell him when he was naughty, he was up to more mischief than ever.
Exactly. Well done. So Adgun, please quickly take the screenshots and send me. Otherwise, after that, beta, please you can leave the meeting. Okay? Just give us 10 to 20 seconds for taking the screenshot. So rest we'll discuss tomorrow. We have discussed 5 questions. So 3 are left only. And the chapter also we'll discuss. So Adgun, आप screenshot लेके बता देना so that everyone can leave the meeting. Okay? It's already 28.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, anyone can take the screenshot. जिसके पास मोबाइल है. And please
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटा.
यस मैम, जो भी आपने साविया से आंसर पूछा था उसमें हम अपनी लैंग्वेज में ऐसे लिख सकते हैं कि as Kari was like a baby, so he was very naughty. So his master had to train him so that he would not be mischievous in future.
Exactly. Yes, you can write. In fact, you have to write in your own words always. Okay. Well done. Yes, you can write. Okay. So Kari was like a baby. Yes, Jasween. Because he was naughty like children. Beta, you are showing me thumbs up. Any doubt in your mind? Urgent doubt. क्योंकि जब urgent doubt होता है then people
No,
show
ma'am.
thumbs up.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Adgun, have you taken the attendance? It's already too late.
Ma'am,
I have a doubt.
Yes,
Others please leave. Savya, you can ask. Okay, others please leave. Beta, you can join the next class. Yes, Savya.
Okay. Ma'am, please repeat the fourth answer.
Fourth question क्या था बेटा?
Why did Kari push his friend into stream?
Kari pushed his friend into the stream so that he wanted his master to save the life of boy who was drowning in the river. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So everyone, you can leave the meeting. Take care. I'll meet you tomorrow. Bye.